Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. This week we created a Stella Zayah blended ceremony arch because we know y'all are loving these two collections combined. I really love how it turned out.
Yeah, very, very rich and romantic, modern.
Yeah, you're seeing this color palette literally everywhere, and we hope this all inspires you to blend the two collections for your upcoming wedding.
Yes. So all of the products that we use will be listed in the description of the video. So go ahead and check that out if you want to rent any of these products.
The tools that we used, you'll need a rectangular arch, zip ties, wire cutters to cut the zip ties, and that's it. That's everything you need. So now we can get into it.
Okay, so first you're going to start by attaching a Zayah swag on each corner.
These are our swags. It comes with a cage on the back with suction cups and these wire hooks so you can thread a zip tie through them and attach it to an arch. The suction cups are for like mirrors or acrylic signs that you want to attach it to. So we are going to thread the zip tie through the hook so that it attaches to the arch. And then the amaranthus hangs so nicely. If your arch isn't the same size as ours, which there's a chance it might not be, feel free to DM us or send us an email at info@sbblooms.com. Let us know the dimensions of the arch that you bought, or if it's an arch at the venue that you're borrowing. If you let us know your exact dimensions, we can give you specific product quantity suggestions based on that.
We're going to add another swag right here.
We're going to do another swag in the middle.
Yep, in the middle.
Next step, take a Stella Garland. And because the Stella Collection does not have a swag yet, we are going to use her garlands to blend into the swags.
To figure out where I want this, I'm going to hold it right here, and I'm going to intertwine it first just so we could have a spot.
Okay. Yeah, and then on this side we can go over. And then we'll do another one, maybe like swooping
over.
That way.
Whoa!
Jesus.
That was crazy behavior.
So we're going to fold the garland in half because the garlands are super malleable, and we're going to kind of circle it up.
Now that you have two of these, take this little tail, bring it up to this. So this is a swag and you have a tail hanging. You're going to feed the tail through the Zayah swag. We're going to tell you again.
Walk it through them. Walk it through it with them.
Bend. Zip tie. You're going to take whatever side your little heart desires, and you're going to bend it up to meet the other side and zip tie it again. So it's left looking like this with a little tail.
Okay, so a meadow.
Yeah.
Meadows just sit flat on the floor like that. And then you're gonna take that leftover tail.
Take that.
And thread it through. If you frequent our videos, then you know our favorite finishing touches are posies. So we're gonna do that right now.
And really go crazy.
There's no right or wrong. So we're gonna add Zayah Posies to the Anywhere, Stella Garland, and then we're gonna add Stella Garland to the Zayah. All right, guys, and there you have it, a blended Stella Zayah ceremony arch. We hope you love how this turned out. And just a refresher on how this series works. Sometimes we show you what we want to show you, and that is what we did today. We knew you guys were loving this color palette and these two collections mixed, so we wanted to show you how to do this in an arch. A few how-tos ago, Emily did a sweetheart table with these two collections, and it turned out really great. So here's your ceremony arch to match that sweetheart table we did a few weeks ago. Another way we do this series is that we pick a request from our audience. So there is a form in the description below. Fill that out. Let us know what area you need help with, the collection that you want to use for your wedding, your budget, and an inspiration picture, because that is key to this whole series. And we will pick what one we want to recreate next. If you want to participate in our how-to, leave us a request and your install might get picked.
Yes. So if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.